Hi everyone, my name is Shalima and I have been teaching English for over 10 years. But imagine, what if I one day fell and hit my head so hard that I forget everything that I knew? How would I begin speaking English again from zero? Usually the videos I make are for people who already know a little about English speaking, but this one is different. It's for you guys, it's for you. If you are starting from scratch, even if you think I don't know anything about English or you have no idea how to even begin a sentence, this video will help you take your very first step. So if you already know a little, stick around. You might still pick up something new, guys. So let's start with us absolute basics, alright? How to begin speaking English confidently even with zero knowledge. So watch this video till the very end and I'll promise it will be worth it, guys. So let's talk about the step number 1. So the very first step, the step number 1 is learn the action words. Yes guys, learn the action words. You probably don't even know yet what action words are. So let me tell you what they are and how you can learn them. So you can start speaking English from day 1. Alright, because today we are talking about something very simple but very powerful. That is called action words. So if you are starting speaking English from zero, this is your golden key. Alright, so let me tell you what are the action words, guys. Action words are also called verbs, as you usually learn at your schools, and they are the words that show what someone is doing, and they are the movement, the energy, the heartbeat of every sentence. So every time you eat, you sleep, you talk, you smile or cry, you are doing an action. And in English, these actions have names. That is eat, sleep, talk, smile, cry. So let me tell you guys, let me tell you a secret. If you learn just 20 action words, you can already start speaking English. Alright, and let me tell you why it is so important. It is important because they help you to talk about daily life. They help you describe what you are doing and they make your sentences come alive. Without action words, guys, your sentence feels empty. For example, I food. This is incomplete. But if I add one action word, it becomes I eat food. Now it makes sense? Alright, so first of all, let us understand why we are going to start with action words first. So when you start learning to speak English, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be understood. And action words help you to do that quickly. And you don't need hard grammar or big vocabularies. Just say what you are doing. So I'll just show you some practice sentences so you also can do the practice with me. First example is I eat rice. I drink water. I walk to market. I sleep at 10. And I talk to my friend. See guys, these are the simple sentences, but they are complete and you are speaking English. So if you are starting English from zero, zero, don't be scared. Start with action words and they are easy, useful and powerful. Say them, use them and repeat them. And soon you will be speaking confidently and I'll be with you guys on every step of the way. So let's grow together. So are you guys ready to take your first action? Alright, now let's talk about the step number 2. And before starting the step number 2, you please let me know in the comments today from now onwards which action words are you going to use. Now I am going to share you the step number 2, that I'll share a beautiful trick that makes English speaking easy, fun from your very first day. So it is called Hindi English mix or transitional speaking. Alright, when your knowledge is zero, the biggest fear is what if I say something wrong? You freeze, you hesitate, you avoid speaking. But with Hindi English mix, you speak freely without pressure. So this is a technique which helps you immensely because it stays confident while learning. It gives you express daily thoughts easily and slowly build sentences structures without stress. So think of it like this. English is a new road, okay? Hindi is your strong support. So together they guide you step by step. And let me tell you about this technique, this step. This is really wonderful. You don't get stuck if you forget an English word. Use Hindi and keep going. Alright, number 2, start speaking from day 1. No need to memorize big grammar rules. You stay motivated because you understand what you are saying. And the next step is you enjoy speaking instead of feeling lost. Now here I would like to share you few example sentences like how you have to do the practice, how you have to use this technique. Alright, so the first example is that feel natural. Instead of मैं school जा रही हूँ, you can say I am जा रही हूँ to school. Right? Instead of saying वो सो रहा है, you can say he सो रहा है now. Alright, instead of saying मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, you can say I am. If you don't know बनाने की English, then what you can do is I am बना रही हूँ lunch. Right? So this way your sentence are part of your English, part of Hindi, but 100% meaningful. You are not just learning words, you are living the language in your routine. Alright, and now let me tell you why it's a brilliant step. It builds confidence before fluency and it removes fear before grammar. It grows love before perfection. So if you are starting English from zero, don't wait to become perfect. Just begin speaking. Use this mix, feel proud and take the first step. Because every I am जा रही हूँ, every he बोलता है fast is a progress. If you are a beginner, if you want to speak from zero. Now guys, let's talk about the step number 3 that is simple but very powerful. That is called basic sentence patterns. If you are someone who says मुझे English बोलना तो है but मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, then listen it very carefully guys. This one step can truly change your life. Basic sentence patterns are like ready-made formulas. Alright, they help you build simple, clear sentences even when you don't know big vocabulary or grammar. So think of them as building blocks. Alright, you add your own words, you are speaking English. Alright, for example, I would like to give you some pattern examples. For example, I am, okay, dash dash dash. Next is this is dash dash dash. I like, alright, he is, I have. So you don't need full knowledge. Even if you know the patterns, you know the vocabulary, you know the words, you can add it. Alright, you don't need full knowledge. Just plug in one word and your sentence is ready. Okay, they are easy to remember, they remove hesitation, they give you structure. Alright, and they let you express your feelings, routines and needs. So with these simple patterns, you can start speaking from day 1 with confidence, not fear. Alright, no need to study hard rules. Just learn 5 to 6 patterns, use them, repeat them, and you are already speaking English. And guys, one more good news is for you because I have already uploaded 30 videos of my 30 days of spoken English course series 1. This is available on my YouTube and it is free. This is for beginner friendly and Hindi English mix for smooth learning. So watch all my 30 videos in one easy playlist. Link is in my description. Click here on the click button. You'll start speaking today. And guys, as well as you purchase this English grammar book. This is a grammar book. This book gives you unlimited grammar patterns in an easy way, and you can purchase this from Amazon. Okay, and I have used this book. This is really good book, so link is in my description. Okay, you can purchase from Amazon. Now it's time for your challenge. Today I'm going to give you a challenge. Okay, you have to pick 3 patterns and create sentences about your life. For example, I am a teacher. Alright, number 2, this is my mobile and I like chocolates. Say them out loud, write them down, teach them to someone else and let them be your little step forward fluency. So if you are starting from zero, Remember, start with action verbs and then move to basic sentence patterns. So they are simple, they are smart, and they are your first victory in English. So you have learned action verbs, basic sentence pattern, and how to use Hindi English mix. Now guys, we move to a beautiful and powerful habit that is called listening. Absolutely guys, listening. And let me ask you guys, how did you learn your mother tongue? Did you start by reading grammar books? No? Alright. You learn by listening to your parents, family, friends. You heard words, you copied sounds, you understood feelings. The same magic works for English too, guys. If you start listening to English every day, even just for 10 minutes, it will make speaking easier, smoother, and natural. So builds vocabulary naturally, train your ears to understand pronunciation, improve sentence structure in your mind. So guys, it helps you to speak with confidence, feel effortless, no heavy studyings, and even if you don't understand every word, keep listening, because your brain will pick up patterns like a child pick up your words, right? So let me tell you how to practice listening as a beginner. If you are going to start from zero, if you are a beginner, so how to practice listening as a beginner. So no need for big books, okay, or fancy apps. Start small, start simple. Watch English cartoons or stories with subtitles. For example, you can take Peppa Pig, Dora, Mr. Bean clips. Listen to slow English songs and try to feel the words. And watch my beginners video, repeat what I say already. I have told you about my 30 days spoken English course. And use short video clips, YouTube video clips or reels with Hindi English mix. Copy one sentence daily and repeat it 5 times like a song. Alright. So guys, let me tell you one more thing. This is Hindi mix English. Start with content that use Hindi English mix, just like how I teach. Okay, it helps your brain understand meaning and emotions at the same time. So for example, I have given you the examples already, but let me tell you one more example. I am going to the market. Instead of saying this, you can say I am ja rahi hu to the market. You hear English or Hindi mixture, feel relaxed or no confusion. Now it's time for a challenge, guys. Today's challenge is repeat plus listen plus repeat. Okay, find a video or an audio clip today, and with the simple English, listen to it, just one sentence, pause and repeat it 5 times. Even if your tongue twists or you feel silly, still repeat. Okay, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So guys, listening is not just step number 4, it's a daily habit, I can say. So it's how babies learns, and it's how you can learn slowly, gently and joyfully. So guys, in my next video, we will learn how to ask questions in English using the patterns we have learned, as well as I'll share you one more video which is really beneficial for you. So if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it, because today I have shared you magical video. So because when your ears become strong, your voice will flow. So friends, just take a moment and smile, because you have already taken your first big step in English speaking. Alright, you learn how to begin with action verbs, how to use easy sentence patterns, how to speak comfortably with Hindi English mix, and now how to grow through listening. So your journey, I can say, it begins. It has begins, and even if you started with zero knowledge, then it's not it's a zero knowledge. Look at you now. You are building sentences, expressing feelings and gaining confidence. And it's not about perfection, it's about showing up, learning with love and speaking with courage. And I am walking with you guys day by day and word by word. Definitely. Okay, so keep learning, guys, keep learning. If you want to keep practicing, don't forget my free 30 days spoken English course is waiting for you on this YouTube channel, on the same YouTube channel. Okay, just go to the description, click the playlist and start watching it. So every single video is designed for beginners like you with real examples, Hindi, English support and fun practice. And remember guys, English is not a subject, alright? It's a journey. Speak with your heart, learn with joy, and remember your voice matters. So go ahead and say it loud. I am learning, I am growing, and I am speaking. Yes, you can type also in the comments. I'm proud of you guys and I'll see you in my next video. So if you didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe it because you will get a lot more content on my channel. So don't stop now. Keep going, keep speaking. You are closer than you think. So guys, if you like the video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence.